Picture this, you're trekking through a dense forest, and suddenly you spot a strange imprint in the mud. Is it a bear? A deer? A wolf? You never see the animal itself, just clues. How would you figure it out? That's the everyday challenge for scientists studying wildlife. But now, a groundbreaking project called AnimalClue is revolutionizing how we decode these hidden stories. Let's dive into how it works and why it's a game changer for conservation. Traditional wildlife research relies on direct sightings or camera traps, but many species are elusive. Nocturnal, camouflaged, hard to spot. That's where indirect evidence comes in: footprints, feces, feathers, bones, even eggshells. These clues are everywhere, but analyzing them has been a puzzle. Until now, there wasn't a large-scale dataset to teach AI how to recognize them. Enter AnimalClue, a massive collection of 159,605 labeled examples from 968 species, designed to train computers to see the invisible. Here's the breakthrough: this dataset isn't just about pictures. Each image has detailed annotations, like bounding boxes around a footprint or pixel-perfect masks for a feather's texture. Researchers also added traits like habitat, diet, and activity patterns. It's like giving AI a detective's toolkit to solve wildlife mysteries. Imagine teaching a machine to distinguish a jaguar's print from a puma's, or identify a bird species from a single feather. So how did they build it? The team scraped the web for high-quality photos from iNaturalist, a platform where nature lovers share observations. But they didn't just grab anything. They focused on Creative Commons licensed images to keep things ethical. Then came the hard work, vetting each photo with citizen scientists, tossing out blurry or ambiguous shots, and even cropping out human faces to protect privacy. It's quality over quantity, and it shows. What makes AnimalClue different? Most datasets focus on clear, direct images of animals. But these clues, they're fragments of a story. A footprint isn't a full animal, it's a hint. The dataset includes 5 types of traces, each with its own challenges. For example, feces and feathers get detailed segmentation masks to capture their textures, while footprints are marked with simple boxes because they're often incomplete. It's like teaching AI to read between the lines, recognizing patterns in partial data. The researchers tested popular AI models on AnimalClue and found it's hard. Even the best models struggled with rare species or distinguishing between similar animals. The highest accuracy for identifying animal groups, like birds versus mammals, was just 57%, and segmentation tasks, think precisely outlining a feather, hit 48%. But that's the point. By creating a tough but realistic challenge, AnimalClue pushes AI to get better at solving real-world conservation problems. Why does this matter? Imagine an AI that can scan a forest floor and instantly tell you which species are thriving or disappearing. This tech could revolutionize how we track wildlife, especially for species we rarely see. And the best part? The dataset is open source, so researchers worldwide can build on this work. Next time you're out in nature, think about the clues you're missing. With tools like AnimalClue, those hidden stories could soon be told by machines and help protect the wild world we all share. Thanks for watching. If you're curious, check the link in the description to explore AnimalClue. Stay curious, and let's keep uncovering the secrets of the natural world together.